Day is a tribute to the spirit of our institution, a celebration of knowledge, growth, and shared success. It reminds us that true success is not measured only by individual achievements, but by the lives we inspire, uplift, and the legacy we create together along the journey. A very pleasant morning to all the distinguished guests, respected dignitaries, faculty members, and students. With immense pride, joy, and gratitude, I, Viola Lobo, Assistant Professor, Department of MBA, welcome you all to the PACE Day 2026, the annual day celebration of PA College of Engineering, a celebration of achievements, dedication, memories, and excellence. Today is not just an event, it is a reflection of another remarkable year, filled with the academic brilliance, innovation, cultural vibrance, and collective success. It is a day to honor every achievement, appreciate every efforts, and celebrate that defines pace. Education is not filling of pain, but the lighting of a fire. And pace continues to light countless minds with knowledge, values, and vision. Ladies and gentlemen, before we begin this memorable day, let us invoke the blessings of Almighty. I now invite Mr. Asan Zahir, final year MBA student, to deliver the invocation and seek divine blessings for the successful conduct of this event.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم اقرأ باسم ربك الذي خلق خلق الإنسان من علق اقرأ وربك الأكرم الذي علم بالقلم علم الإنسان ما لم يعلم كلا إن الإنسان ليطغى أن رآه استغنى إن إلى ربك الرجعى أرأيت الذي ينهى عبدا إذا صلى صدق الله العلي العظيم. In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. Recite in the name of your Lord who created man from a clod. Recite, for your Lord is most generous, who taught by the pen, taught man what he did not know. Yet man transgresses, because he sees himself self-sufficient. Surely to your Lord is the return. Have you seen the one who prevents a servant when he prays? Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Take a visual journey through the remarkable achievements, milestone, and memorable moments of PA College of Engineering during this academic year. Ladies and gentlemen, sit back and enjoy the highlights unfolding before you on the screen.
A very good morning to everyone present here, respected dignitaries on and off the dais, esteemed guests and invitees, dear colleagues and beloved students and members of press and media. It gives me immense pleasure to extend a heartfelt welcome to everyone gathered here for PACE Day 2026 at PA College of Engineering. Today is a day of celebration, inspiration and togetherness as we come together to mark this special occasion in the presence of our respected dignitaries, faculty members, students and guests. First and foremost, I would like to express our sincere gratitude to our patron, Mr. Abdullah Ibrahim, Managing Trustee of PA College of PA Education Trust, Mangalore, for his wholehearted support and encouragement toward academic excellence and institutional growth. We are privileged and honored to welcome today's program chief guest, an esteemed administrator, a strong pillar of PA Education Trust, and a valued well-wisher, Mr. K.M. Hanif, a vice chairman of Kasaragod Municipality and former Director Administration of PACE Knowledge City. Sir, your valuable presence adds great significance to this event. With grateful heart, I welcome you, sir. I also extend a respectful welcome to our guest of honor, an eminent personality, Dr. M. Abdul Rahman, former Vice Chancellor of Kannur and Calicut Universities and former Chairman of the Calicut University Commission. I welcome you, sir. My heartfelt welcome to our guest of honors, Mr. Sharfuddin PK, AGM Campus, PA Education Trust, Dr. Sarfraz J. Hashim, Principal, PA First Grade College, Dr. Salimullah Khan, Principal, PACP, Dr. Afifa Salim, Principal, PAIP, Professor Ismail Khan, Principal, PA Polytechnic, Dr. Syed Amin Ahmad, Dean, Student Affairs and Director, CMSR, Mr. Harris TD, Purchase Manager, PA Education Trust, and Dr. Abdul Sharif, former Principal of PA College of Engineering and Professor of Practice, PACE Mangalore. We are privileged to have all of you with us today. I welcome you all wholeheartedly. It's my proud privilege to extend a warm welcome to our beloved Principal, Dr. Ramiz MK, whose unique leadership and constant guidance continue to lead our institution toward excellence On behalf of all present here, I wholeheartedly welcome you, sir. I also take this opportunity to acknowledge and welcome the most respected and dedicated heads of various departments, esteemed coordinators of PACE Day 2026, Professor Ismail Shafi, Coordinator Scholastic, Mr. Irshad K. from Department of MBA, Professor Fatima Trehana from Department of Computer Science and Engineering for their tireless efforts in organizing this memorable event. A cordial welcome to you all. A graceful welcome to all respected faculty members, academic and administrative officers, technical and supporting staff members. I welcome you all to PACE Day 2026. A cheerful and hearty welcome to all our dear students. Your energy, enthusiasm and achievements make this celebration truly vibrant and memorable. PACE Day is not merely a celebration, it is a reflection of your achievements, unity, talents and aspirations. It is the platform where innovations meet enthusiasm and where memories are created for a lifetime. Once again, on behalf of PA College of Engineering, I warmly welcome you all. I wish you all, especially for final year students, all the success for your future endeavors. Thank you for being a part of PACE Day 2026.
I request our principal, Dr. Ramesh MK, to welcome Mr. K.M. Anif with sapling. Thank you so much. I request Mr. Sharfuddin PK HM PAET to welcome Dr. Abdul Ibrahim with the sapling. We wholeheartedly welcome you to this event, sir. Excellence is never an accident. It is always the result of sincere efforts and perseverance. To present the milestones, achievements and progress of the institution over the past academic year, I now invite Dr. Ramesh MK, Principal PA College of Engineering, to deliver the Principal's address and annual report.
The guest of today, our beloved, we call him Hanif sir, the former Director Administration of this campus. You might have seen in the annual report the saga of PACE, where this was a barren land with no one, where along with our founder chairman, Dr. P.A. Ibrahim Haji, one of the hands which was mainly involved in building this institute and maintaining this institute. In the initial stage, Mr. K. Hamanif, we have Dr. Abdurrahman sir, who is our advisor, governing council member, with us always throughout. Our managing trustee in his absentia, who has given the complete support to this program in executing the program in the best of the possible way. Our Director Finance, Mr. Ahmed Kuti, in his absentia. All the heads of the departments, our AGM campus, Mr. Sharafuddin, Purchase Manager, Mr. Haris TD, the principals of the sister concerns, Dr. Sarfraz Hashim, and all the rest of the principals in their absentia, faculty members, the media people, our Abdul Sharif sir, the Professor Emeritus and the former principal, the heads of the supporting departments, and the students. In fact, the annual report, instead of reading, we have played a beautiful video which almost covers, though in a very short span, the various activities and recognitions we have gone through in the last 1 year. So instead of reading a report, I would like to connect those events with the dream of our chairman. What we have planned to do and what we should do as the stakeholders of these institutions, as far as the management is concerned. Number one, the students and faculty members, including all the supporting technical members. When we celebrated this Silviora this year, when we had the celebration, the last day of the celebration, during the closing ceremony, it was told that we close these 25 years of celebration, but we start the effort of the next 25 years. It was the dream of our chairman to make this great institution to a university, which he has always told, and his final visit to this institution during the NBA, he revealed it. So last few years, we have done the effort, all the people. We have got all the departments eligible, NBA. The civil is going to for the NBA next. The AML and the ICSB branch, as and when they become eligible, that is 2 batches has to go out. They'll also go for NBA. So this will be an institute where all the branches will be NBA accredited, which is basically a very, very important achievement. Another thing that we did in the last few years, and finally we got it in the last year itself, is the NAC A grade in the first cycle itself, where many institutions struggle, especially during the transition stage. Abdurrahman knows about it. We got the NAC A grade in the first visit itself. We got the 2F status, which is basically a major milestone towards the autonomous status. As far as the rankings are concerned, we got the Times ranking, we got the Outlook magazine ranking, we got the IIC star 3-star ranking. And apart from that, we also participated in the NIRF ranking in the last 2 years. So usually in NIRF ranking under the engineering sector, it is very difficult to come in the first 300. So we were not in the first 300, but the team has worked to see the scores of PA College of Engineering with those institutions which were within 300. And the scores that we got has developed a confidence among us that we will be able to make it in an IRF also. This is certain things as far as the ranking and accreditation we did in the last few years, especially in the last 1 year, which is towards our journey of autonomous. We hope that the 2027-28 batch of admission to PA College of Engineering will be under the category of PA College of Engineering, an autonomous institution under the UGC Act. Hopefully, if everything goes well, inshallah, if Allah wills, the institution will be in the next year, we will turn into autonomous, and the admission will be, inshallah, under the autonomous status. Now we, the stakeholders here, if I talk about, the first important stakeholder is the student itself. What is our contribution? And I want to reflect the annual report towards our journey. As far as the students are concerned, please listen. As far as the students are concerned, the first and foremost, your duty is your teaching and learning process. We have a very good result as far as quantity is concerned. We have 100% result in the final year, but we have to improve in the quality. And the junior semesters also, if you talk about the second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth semesters, of course, we have a long way to go to reach to that level of quality improvement. We had around 50 honors degree students in the last academic year. And we hope that the students who are present third years and final years also are also working towards gaining an honors degree. Honors degree means you should have a CGPA above 7 and you should be able to get the 18 credits from the various NPTEL SWAYAM courses which is recognized by BTU, which is possible. So this is as far as the academics is concerned. Apart from the academics, we would like to make our students a multi-dimensional personality. So you have seen a lot of vibrance. One important thing is the technical vibrance, the technical excellence. Without mentioning anyone's name, PA College of Engineering, we have grabbed a lot of prizes, which is nationwide. They have gone to IITs, they have gone to IIITs, they have gone to national institutes. And a lot of students, because if I start telling the names, the time will not be sufficient. And most of the hackathons and most of the competitions, we have seen that our students have competed with the premier institution students and they have won the prizes. This is a very big achievement. We have to take it further. We have to take it further. Our technical excellence has to be shown further. We have to improve ourselves. And certification programs. We actually, various department heads are working on a technical roadmap where when you go for an interview, our students, basically they show their products, they show their projects, and they are basically selling themselves. You might have heard about the book You Can Win. There is also a book called as You Can sell yourself. So your academic credentials plus the technical credentials should be strong enough. That is, in this journey towards autonomous, we become a very established institute where the company sought for. So one major thing in that is the placement part. So as far as the placement is concerned, we have the training and placement department and the Center for Professional Organizations department, CPOT. Both the departments are working well towards achieving this, where we have the training programs which is inbuilt with your academic curriculum to improve your soft skills, aptitude skills, and also your technical skills. So there is a lot of work which we have to do to improve in this domain, where you will be able to acquire the skills which is required for the industry. The management, especially our managing trustee, Mr. Abdullah Ibrahim, he's very keen on this, and a big effort is being done from the management side to establish a very well settled, established training and placement cell which cater to the needs of the training and placement sector, especially which fulfills the industry sector. This is one important thing that we have to work on. Apart from the technical skills, we know that students have done a lot of certification courses, which everything has been mentioned in the previous slides. If you talk about the cultural vibrancy, of course, we have seen the cultural vibrancy of the students during our, I think, the IEEE Discover program, and also when the NAC visit and all. Our students have got a lot of potential as far as the cultural vibrancy is concerned. But one thing I would like to emphasize is that there is a paradigm shift which is required from impressing others to expressing yourselves, expressing your talents. We have a lot of potential, but our programs, let it be the fest, let it be the various events that we have conducted, should be a place where you showcase your talents. Of course, many of our students have won a lot of prizes as far as the cultural events are concerned. Sports is also another major thing which we have. PA College of Engineering and also the sister concerns of PA Educational Trust. We have a very strong founding, especially in the football. This time also we have won the Mangalore level championship, and we have gone to the state level championship also. So football is one game, and apart from that there are many other games where our students have shown their excellence in the sports sector. Placement is another important factor where students have to focus, and we have to increase our what you call excellence in placement, especially now in this era. There is a lot of competency and there is a big challenge. Of course, we are working towards it. So these are few of the things which I would like to emphasize as far as the student community is concerned. Entrepreneurship, startups is also a very important thing where the students have to focus. You might have seen one video where the Chief Minister, Siddaramaiah, he came along with a lot of other ministers. One of the major inaugurations that we did on that day is the inauguration of the PACE Stride Park. That is the Transitional Research, Innovation and Entrepreneurship Development Park, which we are planning to establish in the building when you go towards the hostel, the right side building. The plan is ready, everything is ready. We have already formed a Section 8 company to incorporate startups. We are planning to incorporate minimum 8 to 10 startups, at least one from each branch, and a proposal has been already submitted to Government of Karnataka for which we hope that in next 1 year we'll be able to sanction it, and our own students will be able to have some startups in that trade park. So entrepreneurship is one area which our EDC cell is also working on it. So this is one area where the students have to focus, the startups and entrepreneurship development. And also, apart from this, when you come to the faculty part, as far as the faculty part, faculty is the pillar of our institution. So we have seen that a lot of faculty members have done a lot of work in the research area. There was one slide which you might have noticed where it mentioned about many publications, around 20 to 25 international publications. Last year we have some 7 to 10 patents. 2 patents were granted last year. And lot of other research activities funding. The Department of Mechanical Engineering, they got a funding of 26 lakhs from the Government of India. A lot of fundings, a lot of publications. These are few things actually the students are also working. We would like to urge the students that, sir, we are conducting one conference, ICEST, where we have all our students' mini projects and major projects published. So yesterday and day after yesterday, we had this ICEST program in this campus where we had around 180 papers in-house. 180 papers in-house. The students and the faculty members have done a big effort to convert the major projects and the mini projects to papers. So first year itself the students can work on it. So these are the few things that from the faculty side the people have done. Apart from this, the students also this time, to recognize the students, we have initiated one important thing. This the students should listen, very much important. This should become a challenge and also a competition among the students. We have started 5 titles. And since it was not announced before, this time we are worked on the previous data, and these titles are given to the students during the annual day. But these 5 titles from each department, from each year, is going to be an award which everybody will be awaiting in the coming years. The first title is the academic topper, which is very visible from the CGPA. This is something that you may see that some of the students from the first year, from the second year, from the third year, the final year, the third years are, last year third years are now in the final year. So these title awards is going to be a signature of this annual day in the coming years. There should be a big competition among the students to receive these titles. As I told, the first one is the academic topper. Every student should try your level best that I become included in this academic title, number 1. Number 2, there is something called as consistency title. It is not only academics, your discipline, your academics, how you behave. Everything is taken into account. The second title given to the student is the consistency performer, consistent performer. The third title what we want to give is the technical achiever. The students who go out, show your technical vibrancy, win prizes. So there are some guidelines mentioned for it. For each year of each branch, one title is there for technical competency, technical vibrancy. These awards will be given today. The fourth title is the cultural vibrancy, the cultural title, where the students, those who go out and you win the prizes, you are going to get it. So there should be a very healthy competition from now onwards. In today's annual day, we have taken the last year's records, but in the coming year, we are going to include till then whatever titles have been, or whatever competitions, whatever prizes you have won, and students will be given those prizes during this annual day. And this will be a celebration. This annual day, PACE Day, is going to be a celebration for each and every student who win these titles, and there should be a year-long healthy competition among the students to earn these titles. So this is another important thing that we are going to initiate this year as far as these titles are concerned. So I told about the roles that you have to do. First I told about the students. I also mentioned about the research, etc., what we are planning to do. And as far as the management is concerned, some of the report you might have seen is basically we are planning to, some infrastructure development also is being there, which you will see in the coming days, which will be happening around. So next few years are very, very important for us, where this institute is going to turn out to an autonomous status. We want quality everywhere. We want quality in teaching. We want quality in learning. We want quality in research. We want quality in cultural programs. We want quality in technical programs. And another title what we are planning to give is the sports title. There are many students who perform well. Year-wise, we are going to give a prize, a title for the sports achievers also. These 5 titles are going to be signatures of PA College of Engineering on the annual day in the next coming years, where you have another year to showcase your talents and win these titles. We will make these titles, these programs more colorful, more vibrant, where every student will love to earn these titles. So this is first, and in our engineering campus, that we are going to award these titles for every year. You have a lot of prizes waiting for the students. And apart from that, our teaching faculty members have also done a big effort. We would like to honor the teaching faculty members based on some criteria, and the students should take a part of it on September 5th, when you have the Teachers' Day celebrations. So these are the few things actually which I wanted to convey to you, apart just simply reading from an annual report, because our video has been prepared by our student. A good effort has been done, and it has showcased almost all the things. Certain things might have missed out, so most of the things have been showcased in a very beautiful way. So we will celebrate this first annual day is basically a beginning of the celebration of the next academic year, and we stop it in the next annual day. So the time between the 2 annual days basically is a celebration to get these titles, and I hope that today's annual day will ignite the minds of all the faculty members, all the stakeholders, everyone to get these these targets which is in front of us. And we hope that in another 1 or 2 years, we turn into an autonomous status, and finally to a deemed university status, which PA College of Engineering will be a university which is being sought by all the stakeholders of this region, our state, India, and also, if possible, international level. So with these few words, I conclude, because I don't want to take much time. I thank all the dignitaries, all the HODs, all the principals, all the heads of the departments who have come for this program, and the students are awaiting for all these titles and all these prizes. Let's make this annual day memorable. Thank you very much.
And accomplishments of this institution. It's now my privilege to introduce our esteemed chief guest for this occasion, Mr. K.M. Anif, Founder, Secretary of PA Education Trust and former Director, Administration, is a distinguished entrepreneur and visionary leader whose dedication and guidance have significantly contributed to the growth and success of this institution. Currently serving as the Vice Chairman of Kasaragod Municipality, he continues to inspire through his leadership, commitment to education and service to society. His appointment to this esteemed position is a matter of immense pride and inspiration to all who know him. We are confident that under his able guidance, the municipality will continue to progress towards a great development and public welfare. We are delighted to felicitate Mr. K.M. Anif on his elevation as the Vice Chairman of Kasaragod Municipality. His remarkable achievements reflects his dedication, leadership and unwavering commitment to the public service. As a token of gratitude and appreciation, we now proceed with the felicitation of our respected chief guest, Mr. K.M. Anif. I request our principal and all other dignitaries to felicitate our chief guest.
It is with immense pride, admiration and heartfelt respect that PA Knowledge City, under the aegis of PA Educational Trust, proudly felicitates Mr. K.M. Hanif, Vice Chairperson of Kasaragod Municipality, in recognition of his distinguished achievements and exemplary contributions to public administration and social accomplishments in public life, you have distinguished yourself as a compassionate philanthropist and committed social worker. Your continuous involvement in humanitarian initiatives and community welfare activities reflects your deep sense of social responsibility and your unwavering concern for the upliftment of society. As a successful businessman, you have demonstrated vision, integrity, professionalism, and perseverance. Your achievements in the field of business stands as an inspiration to many aspiring entrepreneurs and young professionals. Your association with PA Educational Trust remains particularly significant and memorable to the entire PA fraternity. During your tenure as the Director of Administration, you rendered exceptional service to the institution through your efficient administration, strategic leadership, and tireless commitment to institutional progress. Your ability to manage systems effectively, maintain organizational discipline, and guide the institution towards sustained growth contributed immensely to the strengthening and advancement of the trust and its educational institutions. The institution fondly remembers your valuable contributions, administrative acumen, and sincere dedication, which have left a lasting impact on the development and reputation of the organization. On this auspicious occasion of Annual Day celebration of PA College of Engineering, we take great honor in recognizing your achievements. May the Almighty bless you with continued success, wisdom, good health, and strength to serve the society with the same dedication and commitment in the years ahead. With proud respect and warm felicitations, the management, faculty, staff, students of PACE Knowledge City under the aegis of PA Educational Trust, Mangalore.
On this occasion, we extend the heartfelt congratulations to Mr. K.M. Hanif and wish him great success in the future endeavors. Let's give him a huge round of applause and congratulate him for this achievement.
Principal of PA College of Engineering, Dr. Ramesh, the other dignitaries including Professor Abdurrahman Sir, former Vice Chancellor, Kerala Kannur University, and AGM Sharfuddin, Purchase Manager TD Aris, principals of other sister institutions, Sarfaraz Ashim, Ismail, Amin, and our Vice Principal Sharmila Madam, and faculty and staff and students, good morning. I am very happy and proud to stand in front of you in this campus. Because this campus made me what I am today. I first came in this campus during 1999. As your principal told, during that time this was a barren land without a single building or any greenery or even drinking water. But our visionary founder chairman, Dr. P.A. Ibrahim Haji had a dream. Alhamdulillah, now you can see the transformation. His dream has come true. I am very happy. This college has a history of a seat revenge of our founder chairman, Dr. P.A. Ibrahim Haji. I just to mention what happened, what made him to start this engineering college. In 1970s, during his 17-18-year-old, after his PDC or plus 2, he wanted to pursue engineering degree. He tried in our NATK, Suratkal, but he did not get seat in NATK. Then he compelled to go in Madras for engineering mechanical diploma. That time he made a decision. Whenever he get wealth or anything, money, he will start an engineering college by himself, where he will make people, more people to study engineering. Then he got that opportunity of what his decision during 1970s when he was 17-year-old, when he completed 50 years old. In 1999, he selected this place as a venue for his dream of engineering college. He acquired more than 50 acres of land here and started working for this. As you all know, most of you know, he was a NRI. Most of 80% of his days is staying in Dubai or out of India. Then he wanted a person to look after this, whatever his dream. He got his own idea. He made master plan. Then he entrusted the role of performing his dream to me. He made me first administrator and director of this institution in 2000, I think. Then 2000 August, we started our first batch of engineering with 4 branches and 240 students. That grown to now maybe even my tenure. I worked here up to 2008. It's come to campus strength even up to 3,000. Anyway, I am very lucky during my tenure as administrator. I want to give appointment order of a lot of senior faculty sitting here, including your present principal, Dr. Ramesh, first grade principal. I forgot to welcome our Sarfaraz, I think, Sarfaraz, even Aris or Sharfu, or even Amin, and our former principal, Sharif Sir and Abdul Qadir, all still here. Anyway, they are dedicatedly doing their work for this institution even now. One more thing, I am remembering that somebody is sitting, even our Sefinas is sitting, or Professor Samna, they are all our first batch, 2,000 students. Now also they are physically and mentally with your face. Anyway, now PA College is doing miracle, I know, every way, even physically or even academically, every day we are getting positive report about PA College. I am wishing again this PA College management future best. Now I will go to the chapter. I was worked here up to 2008. I thought life is a cycle. We have to change from one to other. I started as a businessman. Then I worked with PA College. I have given my maximum to PA College. Then during our former first founder chairman PA Ibrahim Haji's approval, 2018, I left the campus. I told I have some other ideas. I have to do my own. He agreed. He told whatever and if he is asking, I have agreed and you can go to your way. With all his blessing and permission, I left PA College. Then I concentrated in my native place. You know, I am from Kasaragod. Then I involved in all social or sports or even any other even charity, philanthropic activities of Kasaragod. And people recognized my work, and last 2 years before they made me the municipality councillor, and 4-5 months before they made me vice chairman of Kasaragod municipality. Actually, Kasaragod municipality chairperson is reserved to ladies, otherwise it should have got better chance also. Anyway, I have taken this as a responsibility. I want to do something for my city. That's why I am now working very hard. Every day, 9 o'clock, I am going to my office. And I want some of my signature in Kasaragod, some development in Kasaragod city. I want your prayers and your support for my work in Kasaragod. Finally, I am extending my heartfelt gratitude for the management of the PA College of Engineering, including managing trustee Abdullah Ibrahim. Occasionally, I can tell that even Abdullah Ibrahim also was our student in this campus for graduation. And next, I am all management team, including Ramesh, I am giving my thanks for inviting for this great function. Once again, thank you all. Jai Hind. Assalamu alaikum.
Our guest of honor is a distinguished academician, researcher, administrator, and a visionary leader. Dr. M. Abdul Rahman earned his MSc and PhD in the field of environmental genetic toxicology and holds the distinction of being the first PhD holder from the Muslim community in Mangalore. An accomplished scholar, he has published more than 75 scientific papers and guided over 13 doctoral scholars. His remarkable contribution to education and research have earned him numerous prestigious recognition. He also played a vital role as a senior advisor to PA Education Trust during the NAC accreditation process, contributing significantly to PACE being awarded as A grade. Ladies and gentlemen, let us welcome our esteemed guest of honor, Dr. M. Abdul Rahman, to address the gathering.
PA College Engineering, Mr. Hanif, Principal Ramesh, all the respected members of the PAET, PA Education Trust, all the principals of different colleges of PA Group, former Principal Sharif, HODs, members of the faculty, members of non-teaching, and dear students. It gives me great pleasure to be here on this day, and I am here because Professor Ramesh gave me an invitation to take part in the annual day, and moreover I thought Hanif, whom I know from last 2 decades, and I told him first we met in late Ibrahim Haji's house at Pallikare. Anyhow, his achievement we have to appreciate, and the life is like that. We go from one step to another step, but this step we can go only if you are healthy, that is, if you are doing good work. Well, usually I tell the principals I won't speak. Today I felt that I'll speak for a few words because for me it's a routine. One thing I want to tell, congratulate principal, HODs, all the principals for all the development you have shown and the progress you have shown, my appreciation, my good wishes, and I can say for my blessings. Keep it up so that don't be satisfied with what you already achieved. Here I want to mention, I don't want to advise, one particular thing I want to mention, the days are going to be very competitive. You have to develop the institution from all angles, from all criteria, so that institution can meet the requirement and the competition from other institutions. Here I'd like to mention, apart from all other involvement and responsibilities, I'm working as a chairman of the Standing Appellate Committee of AICT from 2017 onward. More than 1,300 colleges have appeared for fee, and this year, from last 2 months, I am once again got the assignment, and nearly 100 colleges have finished. Today I had a SAC meeting because of Professor like engineering colleges. Engineering colleges are multiplying throughout the country. In other words, you have to take it as a challenge, improve it. And principal has already told the past, present and future plan. May Allah grant him the health and good wishes, the cooperation of all of you so that his dream comes true. Here I want to remember late Mr. P.A. Ibrahim Haji, whom I know from last 2 or 3 decades, and may Allah give peace to his soul. And also in absence here, my good wishes to Mr. Abdullah Ibrahim. May Allah bless you all with all good aspects of life. Thank you.
The dignitaries on the dais to kindly felicitate a guest of honor, Dr. M. Abdul Rahman, with a memento as a token of love and gratitude. To kindly felicitate our guest of honor. Achievement deserves recognition and excellence deserves appreciation. We now move on to the award ceremony of academic toppers and achievers. May I request Dr. Syed Amin Ahmed, Dean Student Affairs and Director CMSR PACE, to kindly announce the names of the awardees.
Respected dignitaries on the faculty members, and my dear briefed about various awards which we will be awarding today and which will be continue in the next years too. I'm very happy to present before you the various award winners. First, let me start with the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning. I request K.M. Hanif sir and Principal of PACE, Dr. Ramiz M.K. and HOD of AML to do the honors. The top academic performer, yes, K.M. Hanif sir. K.M. Hanif sir and Dr. Ramiz sir and AML HOD. Top academic performer from the batch 2022 is Miss Joylyn De Silva. The consistent performer from the 2022 batch. This award goes to Ms. Sumaira Mazuka Bashir. And the next category is the technical achiever from 2022 batch from the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning. We have Mr. Savin S.S. So Savin. Next from the batch of 2023, top academic performer. The prize, this award goes to Ms. Hiba A.H. from the Artificial Intelligence Department. Ms. Hiba H. Top academic performer of 2023 batch. And the consistent performer award goes to Mr. Muhammad Tanish. And we have a technical achiever from the batch. Technical achiever is to Mr. Muhammad Zaid. Mr. Muhammad Zaid. And from 2023 we have a cultural activity performer also. This cultural award goes to Mr. Tanweer Ali. Mr. Tanweer Ali from Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning Department. And we have the sports achiever also from 2023 batch from the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning. And this award goes to Mr. Muhammad Shammas. Mr. Muhammad Shammas. Now from 2024 batch of Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning, the top academic performer is Ms. Aisha Shazia. The consistent performer award goes to Mr. Abu Bakr Shizan K. Mr. Abu Bakr Shizan K. And the technical achiever award goes to Mr. Muhammad Rashid A.Y. Mr. Muhammad Rashid A.Y. Thank you, Dr. Zakir Bellari. Requesting Dr. Krishna Prasad to join the guest. Continue. From the Department of Biotechnology, for 2022 batch, we have the top academic performer. The top academic performer is Miss Salila. Miss Salila. And the technical achiever. Technical achiever, Miss Ashut Aifa. And the consistent performer award goes to Miss Vidya J. Miss Vidya J. And we have a sport achiever also. The sports achiever award in the 22 batch goes to Mr. Khatija Shafa. Mr. Khatija Shafa. Next, from 2023 batch, we have the top academic performer, Miss Sama Umar. And the technical achiever award goes to Mr. Pratik D. Shreyan. Mr. Pratik D., the technical achiever of Department of Biotechnology for 2023 batch. And we have a consistent performer, Miss Aisha Zia A. Mr. Aisha Zia A. And the cultural activity performer, this cultural award goes to Mr. Abdul Hadi Khan. Mr. Abdul Hadi Khan. Then the sport performer award goes to Mr. Pritham Godwin. Mr. Pritham Godwin. And next, from the 2024 batch, we have the academic topper. The award goes to Mr. Muzaria Nazhat from Department of Biotechnology. And the consistent performer award goes to Mr. Syed Mohammad Ghaus. Mr. Syed Mohammad Ghaus. And the technical award, achiever award for 24 batch of biotechnology goes to Miss Fatima Sazina. And finally, from biotechnology, we have a sport performer from the sports for 24 batch, Mr. Abdul Rahim. Mr. Abdul Rahim. Thank you, KM Hanif sir, and thank you, Krishna Prasad sir. Requesting Dr. Abdul Rahman sir to do the honors. And next we are moving to the computer science department, requesting Dr. Sharmila Kumari ma'am to join the felicitation ceremony. The top academic performer from the computer science for the 22 batch, the award goes to Mr. Moiddin Muhammad Tajuddin. And the consistent award, the consistent performer award goes to Mr. Swati Mahesh. Miss Swati Mahesh from Computer Science Department 22 batch. We have another consistent performer, Miss Sinchana S. Naik. Miss Sinchana S. Naik, the consistent performer of Computer Science Department 2022 batch. And the Technical Achiever Award of 22 batch goes to Mr. Abdul Qadir Suhair Afran. Mr. Abdul Qadir. The Technical Achiever Award of 2022 goes to Mr. Abdul Qadir. And another Technical Achiever Award from the Computer Science for 22 batch goes to Mr. Rehan Mohammad Nelikar. Mr. Rehan Mohammad Nelikar. And the Sports Achiever Award from 22 batch goes to Muhammad Manas. Muhammad Manas. And from 2023 batches, top academic performer from computer science is Ms. Zeba Talat. Mrs. Zeba Talat. The consistent performer award goes to Ms. Fatima Anshira. Ms. Fatima Anshira. And next, another consistent performer award goes to Ms. Aisha Shahma A. We have a Technical Achiever Award from Computer Science 23 batch. It goes to Muhammad Shakib. Muhammad Shakib. And another Technical Achiever Award awardee. The winner is Mr. Rafan Ahmad Sheikh. Mr. Rafan Ahmad Sheikh. We have the Sports Achievers. Mr. Muhammad Jasil. The Sports Award goes to Mr. Muhammad Jasil. And Mr. Mehtab Mehboob. And from 24 batch, we have a top academic performer, Ms. Zuleika Shamna AR. Mrs. Zuleika Shamna AR. And consistent performer award goes to Mr. Zuleika Shamna AR. Thank you, Mr. Dr. Abdul Rahman sir and Dr. Sharmila Kumari ma'am. Now I request Mr. Professor Ismail Shafi to read out the list of winners.
Now I'll read out the names of the achievers of ICSB. I request our beloved principal and HOD of ICSB, Dr. Shamna Madam, and AGM campus, Mr. Sharfuddin, to join the honor the achievers. We have top academic performer, Mr. Vineet SN. Assistant performer, Ms. Tanusha. The technical achiever, Mr. Muhammad Ashid. I request everyone to applaud our achievers. Cultural activity performer, Mr. Muhammad KP. And the sports performer, Mr. Abdul Rahman Safiq. The top academic performer, Miss Mariam Shaha. And the consistent performer, Mujibur Rahman. We have a technical achiever for the batch, Mr. Abdul Kader. The cultural activity performer, Miss Fatima Munawira. And the sports performer, Miss Aishat Nazi Shereen. Congratulations to all the winners. Thank you, Dr. Sharma Madam. Now I call Dr. Praveen Suvarna from the Department of Civil Engineering And Dr. Sharfraz J. Asim, Principal PA Fresh College, to honor the winners. From the Department of Civil Engineering, we have the top academic performer, Mr. Muhammad Shafiq. The consistent performer of the batch, Mr. Syed Ali Sahil. The top academic performer, Mr. Glenn Selton Rodriguez. The consistent performer, Miss Fatima Nida PI. The cultural activity performer, Mr. Muhammad Rizwan. So we have one more top academic performer, Miss Farzana PP. And the consistent performer, Mr. Muhammad Shahir. Thank you, Dr. Praveen sir. Now I request Dr. Sarfraz sir and Dr. Asif sir to join. From the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, we have the top academic performer, Miss N. Charita Jain. And the consistent performer of the batch, Mr. Prajwal P. The technical achiever from the final year batch, Mr. Muhammad Umair. And the sports performer of the final year batch, Mr. Muhammad Sultan. From the third year, we have the top academic performer, Miss Mariam Fahima. And the consistent performer, Miss Aishat Nihala. And we have the technical achiever, Miss Aishat Nihala. Top academic performer, Mr. Danvit Shetty. And the consistent performer, Miss Likita. And the technical achiever, Mr. Muhammad Shamas. Thank you, sirs. Now I'll request Dr. Afifa Madam and Professor Prashant Pai sir to join to honor the winners. We have Mechanical Engineering Department, the top academic performer, Mr. Amil Aziz. The consistent performer, Mr. Nitin MK. And the technical achiever, Mr. Amil Aziz. So we have the top academic performer, Mr. Muhammad Fulail Shaz, and he also winner of consistent performer. The 2 award for the Muhammad Fulail. From the mechanical department, the final year batch, the sports performer, Mr. Anwar Sajid KM. And the top academic performer, Mr. Azmin Abdullah. And we have the consistent performer, Mr. Amir Habib. Thank you, madam. Thank you, sir. Now I call upon the Department of Master of Business Administration. I request Dr. Syed Amin Ahmad and Mr. Aris TD to join the honor the winners. We have top academic performer, Miss Fatimat Shifana. And the consistent performer, Miss Asifa KH. And the technical achiever, Miss Mariam Nafia PN. Thank you, sir. Now we have a special award for the national level and state level sports achievers. I request Dr. Iqbal, Physical Director, to join, and I'll request our beloved Principal and Chief Guest of the day to honor the winners. Also our AGM campus. We have T. Muhammad Jazeel, won silver medal in the VTU state level taekwondo competition held at the Siddhaganga Institute of Technology, Tumkur. And he also won the prizes in the Dasara taekwondo competition held at Chikmagaluru on 11th September 2025. Mr. Muhammad Jazeel. Mr. Farooq Ahmad Munawwar secured a total of 5 places in different categories at the All Karnataka bodybuilding competition held at Mudabidri from the MBA. Mr. Muhammad Fidash secured runner-up position in the national level football match at Manipal and represented the VTU Mangalore division football and won the second prize, and also is selected for the representing for the VTU football team. Mr. Fidash from first year engineering. Now I call upon all the football players who represented the national level football match at Manipal and represented the VTU Mangalore division football tournament and won the second prize. All the members of the team: Mehtab Mehboob, Inamul Hassan, Muhammad Sultan, Shazin, Anwar Sajid KM, Fadi Mustafa, Naushad Nazal, Abdul Rahim, Shazin Sakaria, Muhammad Shammas, Muhammad Fidash and Muhammad Ayman. Mr. Muhammad Mehtab, Inamul Hassan, Muhammad Sultan, Shazin, Anwar Sajid KM, Fadi Mustafa, Naushad Nazal, Abdul Rahim, Shazin Sakaria, Muhammad Shammas, Muhammad Fidash and Muhammad Ayman. T. Mohammad Jazeel won the silver medal in the VTU state level taekwondo competition. Now, Mr. Mohammad Jazeel. Congratulations to all the winners. Thank you, sirs.
We would like to felicitate Mr. Tanveer from 3rd year AIML for his creative efforts in editing and presenting the highlight video showcasing the institution achievements and milestones. I request kindly receive a token of appreciation from the chief guest, Mr. K.M. Anif. Every ending marks the beginning of a new journey. We now take this opportunity to felicitate our beloved final year students who are stepping into the new chapter filled with dreams, aspirations and opportunities. May I request the faculty members and dignitaries to kindly proceed with the felicitation.
Before we go into the farewell of the final years, our final year students actually they are going on internship at various locations, outstation. Most of them were not able to come because of the internship. And we are not in a position to conduct farewell on a later date because your exam starts and your results will be declared very soon. So we wish you a very, very happy life forward. Wish you all the best. Be connected to the alma mater. We want PA College of Engineering alumni, not only PA College of Engineering, the PACE Knowledge City, a very exemplary alumni for the whole world. And this time the alumni meet that we conducted in Dubai was really the batches from the 2000 onwards. When we saw them, it was really inspiring for us, soothing for us. So we wish all the final year students a very, very happy and a responsible life forward. A few things we would like to share with the final years is that till now you are called as students. Now within few months, maybe another 2 weeks or 3 weeks, you will be given the degree. You are becoming engineers. You are becoming professionals. So you have got more responsibility in your professional life. Deliver your best. Deliver your best in your professional life. In society, be a good human being. Always our founder chairman used to tell that in PA College of Engineering, we are focused on creating fine human beings. So become fine human beings. Discharge all the responsibilities towards your creator, wherever you are. Don't forget. Whichever religion you are, discharge the responsibilities towards your creator, whichever belief system you have. And finally, the responsibilities towards the creations, starting from your parents. And soon you're going to get into married life, to your spouses, your children, generations. So with this, we would like to bid a farewell to all the final years who was able to make their presence here and who are not able to make their presence here because of their internship. The first year students who are sitting here, you did not get any prizes, correct? Because you did not complete what? One academic year. But next week, we are planning to keep a very special program only for first years. And based on your performance in the last semester at the seminar hall, we have decided that we want to felicitate the students of first years also based on the last academic semester performance. That we'll be doing it. Anyway, your HODs will be contacting you to get the informations. So wish you all the best.
Other students, kindly be seated. We'll wind up the program in another 10 minutes. All students, kindly be seated. So we are honoring your seniors.
the magnificent celebration of Space Day 2026. A day filled with achievements, pride, and memories we will cherish for years to come.
Dear students, please stay back. Our program will going to end in another 5 minutes. Thank you for your cooperation.
We first offer our deepest gratitude to Mr. Abdullah Ibrahim, Managing Trustee, PA Educational Trust, though unable to join us in person today. Every prize distributed on this stage and every smile in this auditorium is a reflection of his vision and lifelong dedication to empowering young minds. We are forever grateful, sir. We are deeply honored by the gracious presence of our chief guest, Mr. K.M. Hanif, Vice Chairman of Kasaragod Municipality and former Director, Administration, Pace Knowledge City. Sir, your inspiring address and your kind gesture of honoring our achievers today has made this Space Day truly special and memorable. Thank you for your valuable presence and encouragement. We express our heartfelt thanks to our distinguished guest of honor, Dr. M. Abdul Rahman, former Vice Chancellor of Kannur and Calicut Universities and former Chairman of the Calicut University Commission. Sir, your presence, wisdom and warm encouragement to our students have left a lasting impression on every heart in this auditorium. Thank you, sir. We are equally grateful to the esteemed guests of honor, Mr. Sharfuddin PK AGM Campus, Mr. Harris TD Purchase Manager, Dr. Sarfraz Hashim Principal PFGC, Dr. Afifa Salim Principal PIP, Professor Ismail Khan Principal PAPT, and Dr. Syed Amin Ahmad, Dean Student Affairs and Director CMSR. Your esteemed presence on this dais has added immense prestige and warmth to our annual day celebration. Thank you all. A special and profound word of gratitude to our respected principal, Dr. Ramiz MK, for presiding over this grand function with dignity and grace. Sir, your leadership, your encouragement, and your belief in every student and staff member of this institution are what make a place where dreams are nurtured and champions are made. Thank you for your constant inspiration and support. A special word of gratitude to our Vice Principal, Dr. Shamila Kumari Madam, for her constant guidance, encouragement, and invaluable support that has been the steadying force behind every aspect of today's celebration. Thank you, Madam. We sincerely thank all our head of the departments, teaching faculty, non-teaching staff, examination section, account section, HR and administration, and the site and maintenance team, admission department, placement department. Each one of you has played a vital role in making today's annual day a grand success. Your dedication, both seen and unseen, is what keeps pace moving forward every single day. Thank you all. Words feel inadequate when we speak of the team that created our stunning annual report video today. Mr. Tanvir, a bright and passionate third-year student from the IML department, gave us a window into the soul of PACE through his remarkable creativity and hard work. His dedication was matched beautifully by the warmth and expertise of Professor Vittalbert, Dr. Shahbaz and Professor Safasana, who stood by him every step of the way, guiding, refining and giving their all when it mattered most. From the bottom of our heart, thank you all. My sincere thanks to Professor Ismail Shafi, Co-Scholastic Coordinator, Professor Fatima Raihan, and Professor Viola Ishmita Lobo, and Dr. Abdul Sharif Sir for their tireless support and partnership. Thank you all. Finally, thank you all for making PACE Day 2026 an unforgettable chapter in our history. Thank you.
पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभाशिष मागे जाहे